Oh no. More fractions. And ugly ones. Oh, this is impossible. What are you doing to me? Well, easy. Let me show you what to do. Let's take a look at this one here. Again, multiply by common denominators. It isn't that bad. Remember, the common denominator of 3 and 5 would be 15. So let's multiply this thing by 15 both sides. Here we go. So you got 15 x minus 2 over 3 minus y plus 2 over 5 equaling to 2 over 1, which also has to be multiplied by 15. So don't freak out. Now, check this out. We're going to multiply each one of these by 15. So if you do that, look what you get. You end up getting 15 times x minus 2 over 3 minus 15 times y plus 2 over 5 equaling to, well, 15 times 2 is just plain old 30. Now, what can I do with this particular situation? Actually, it's really easy. Look, 3 goes into 15 5 times. Look at that. Look at that. Beautiful. 5 goes into 15 3 times. Oh, that's not so bad. Equaling to 30. Now, all you have to do is, again, a little bit of distributive property, some combining like terms, and this ugly, ugly, ugly question becomes really, really, really pretty. Okay, 5 times x is 5x. 5 times minus 2 is 10. Don't forget to distribute the minus 3, giving you the minus 3y, and the minus 6 equals to 30. Combine some like terms. You got 5x. Combine this like term with this like term. You got 5x minus 3y minus 16 equals to 30. Bring the 16 over to the other side. So you got 5x minus 3y equals to 46. There. Done. Fraction. Goodbye. Right? Not that much of a problem. So that's one equation. Let's, oh gosh, look at this one. Well, don't panic. Again, this is no different than the last question you did. There's 5, that's a 5, that's a 2. Common denominator? Yep, 10. Yep, multiply by 10. So here we go. Mailman to that, or distribute to that. 10 times 3 over 5. That's the one we're going to do first. Well, here's where cancellation law really helps you. 5 goes into 10 twice. 2 times 3, that's going to give you 6. So that turns out to be 6x plus 1. Watch again. We go to here. This is minus. So we got 10 times 4 over 5. Again, cancellation law really helps. That gives you 2. 2 times 4 is minus 8. And again, y minus 3. And lastly, this equals to, look, 10 times 21 right here. So 2 goes into 10 5 times. 5 times 21 is 110. No, 105. My apologies. 105. Okay? So now, again, all you have to do is exactly what we did in the question on the right in red. Da-da-da, this gives you 6x plus 6. Carry the minus 8 with you. Okay? This gives you minus 8y plus 24. Right? Because it goes to this guy again, and the minus minus gives you a positive, and 105. Combine a few like terms here. You got 6x minus 8y. We're going to combine this, 6x and 24, to give me 30. That equals to 105. Then we're going to subtract out the 30 from this side and from that side. This gives me 6x minus 8y. That cancels to give you equal to 75. There's equation number 2. So look, this was equation number 1. There's equation number 2, all simplified. I'm going to put this equation number 2 right underneath 6x minus 8y equals to 75. And now elimination method, and then we're going to just rock. Here we go. What do you want to make the same? X's or Y's in this case? Well, it doesn't matter, again, what we make the same, because honestly, you're going to have to eliminate them anyways, right? So let's eliminate these guys. Let's multiply this guy by minus 5, this guy by positive 6. Again, why minus? So that 1 becomes a minus, 1 becomes a plus, right? This one will be the plus, this one will be the minus, then we can eliminate them. All right, so minus, or I should say 6 times 5 is going to give you 30. X, 6 times minus 3 is minus 18y. 6 times 46, I have no idea. So we got 6 times 46. Let's bring up the calculator. 6 times 46 equals 276. All right, 276. We're getting into some big numbers. 276. 276. Now, do the same thing with the minus 5. Minus 5 times 6, look at that. There's the minus 30. They match. They're going to cancel. Minus 5 times minus 8 is positive 40. Why? And minus 5 times 75. I have no idea. So let's bring up the calculator. 5 times 75. Minus 5 times 75 works out to be minus 375. Okay, minus 375. Minus 375. Now we can eliminate. Yahoo! Okay, here we go. That's elimination time. Just add. Those cancel. 18 from 40 is going to give you 22y. Okay, and then 276 minus 375. I don't know. Bring up the calculator. 276 minus 375. We got minus 375, and there's the 276. So just add the 276 to this, and you get minus, oh, look at that, minus Gretzky. All right, so minus Gretzky, minus 99. Okay, and then you're going to divide this by 22, divide that by 22, and you're going to get one ugly number. Here we go. Minus 99 divided by 22 works out to be minus 4.5. Here it is. There's your y equaling minus 4.5. Now, find the x. Go back to a nice equation that we had. We have a nice equation right here. Let's just use it. 5x minus 3y equals to 46. Let's put in the y here, from here, into this. 5x minus 3 times a negative 4.5 equals to 46. Okay, let's add those numbers in there. Let's see what we get. Okay, so 3 times negative 4.5. Let's bring up the calculator. 3 times, so times that by 3 of the negative 4.5, you got negative 13.5. Negative 13.5 here. Okay, so 5x. Oh, negative and negative, make it a positive 13.5 equal to 46. Okay, so keep on going. Use your calculator if you want to. You're going to subtract 13.5 from both sides. Okay, leaving you 5x equaling to whatever you get here, which is you should be able to do this fairly easily, right? That's 0. That's going to give you 0.5. 3 from 5 is going to give you 2. 1 from 4 is going to give you 32.5. That makes sense. Divide that by 5. Divide that by 5. Bring up the calculator for that one. 32.5 divided by 5. 32.5 divided by 5. There you go. You're going to get 6.5 as your final answer. And look at this. I know they're not nice numbers, but considering what we started with, 6.5 and negative 4.5, considering what we started with all of those crazy fractions way the heck up here, oh my goodness, I think this is a pretty reasonable answer. What a tough question.